a lingering hug. There is so much that can be communicated with a hug. There are a few different types and they all send different meanings. The more intimate ones tend to be face to face, arms wrapped, pressing on each other, and letting it last as long as you want it to. There's no mistaking your passion with a hug like that out of the blue. Men are tactile creatures. It's how many of them express and receive affection. Touch has been proven to reduce stress and improve heart health. When it's more of a romantic nature, it actually triggers the chemical release of hormones that are closely related to pleasure and bonding. A simple hug. That special kiss. There is nothing more sexy than a woman who is the one to occasionally start things up. It's a well-appreciated gesture when you give the man of your life that sultry look, and then you top it off with a smooch. Now this is gonna mean everything to him, and it's so important that you and your partner develop your own non-verbal communication.